This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by the Topsfield Fair.
At the Topsfield Fair, fun is around every corner. Experience the thrills, flavors, and entertainment you won't forget. From award-winning bites to exciting live shows, prize-winning fun awaits you at the Topsfield Fair, October 3rd to the 13th.
Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. Did you know we're streaming 24/7? The only continuous weather network for New England. Maybe you're watching us on your TV right now. If not, you can. Smart TV, open up the YouTube app, search 1 Degree Outside Network. You'll see the little live button. You can watch us that way. Always at 1degreeoutside.live if you're on your computer or phone. And of course, you have access to it at the top of our free 1 Degree Outside weather app. Wednesday, Noyes notes, crisp, cool air to kick off the month of October. Totally different feel than the past several days. Some frost tonight, cool again tomorrow, and then we warm back up. Warming trend starts Friday, lasts into the weekend. Actually, highs are going to be back up over 80 degrees for some of us. On the ocean, gusty wind, building waves, dangerous rip currents the next several days because of the distant tropical systems. We talked about that in depth in the beach, boating, and coastal marine forecast. You have access to that, of course, on all of our platforms. Now, the kids may want the sweatshirt or the long sleeve or fall jacket this morning. Kind of a chilly start. Beautiful looking day with lots of sunshine, but temperatures only up around or just over 60 degrees. So long sleeve maybe for the duration of the day, as temperatures are about 10 to 20 degrees cooler than they've been the past several days in many areas. And there's a bit of a breeze on top of that too. 10 to 20 miles per hour. But notice here for the South Shore to Cape Cod and occasionally along the mid-coast in Downeast Maine, we'll see some gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour. May have an isolated gust to 40 on Nantucket this evening. And then inland, actually, the wind will be much lighter and tend to ease through the overnight tonight. It does stay active along the coastline with still some gusts that go about 10 to 20 miles per hour and over 20 on Cape Cod tonight into tomorrow morning. High temperatures today, then about 60 to 65, although there's some upper 50s on the map here as well. So it is a cool, crisp fall feel. Most spots, 60 to 65, some upper 50s with elevation. And the farther north you go, we're squarely in the 50s today in northern Vermont and New Hampshire. Beautiful fall color with some high to peak color in spots of the North Country. Upper 40s to low 50s in the crown of Maine, and then closer to 60 along the Maine Turnpike and into the lower 60s here along the Maine coastline today. Overnight tonight, inland and northern half of New England will be coldest. But do you notice that some spots through the interior of southern New England do dip into the mid to upper 30s? So the closer you are to the coast, we're talking 40s, but I've shaded here in blue the areas where some frost is likely, and that may sneak into northern Massachusetts, Route 2 corridor, western Mass into the Berkshires as well, and then a lot of northern New England. Hard freeze with the chilliest temps, 25 to 30 in some of the coldest spots of northern New England. You can see what your overnight low is for your exact city or town. Pinpoint it in the app. Free, thousands of 5-star reviews. Search 1 Degree Outside Weather in the App Store and Google Play.